Hi, I'm Rebecca Granger and I work here at Arizona Appliance and Home, and I'm your appliance expert. Today's question is the GE Cafe range worth it for serious cooks and bakers? And I'm gonna tell you yes. So I personally own the GE Cafe range, and in this range I have cooked prime rib, I have cooked lamb, I have cooked turkeys, I've baked pies, and they've all came out to perfection. The wonderful thing about this particular range is it's a dual oven, and so you can actually cook a pie in here in your upper oven, and then you can have that turkey going down here in the bottom oven with 2 different temperatures. You also have wonderful glide racks, making it much easier to access your food for basting or turning things over, and you can move that around on several different levels. Up top here, this is a great 1-dish oven. So if you want to throw in a lasagna, a casserole, bake a pizza, your heart's content, it'll be coming out with perfect results. And then up top here, we have the induction, which is super fast, easy to clean, and that performance is top notch. Thank you so much.